All right, everyone, Mike here with the watch list video for Thursday, January 18th. The SPY gap down, sold off, but ended up going out near the highs. Now we have this little daily hammer looking candle that held the 20-day. So still holding up pretty well. I'm going to slide this over. If you're new, pause the video and read that. I read that sometimes, not reading it today. Favorite idea in the room today was by me. That almost never happens. I wrote DWAC, DWAC 5's buy zone first visit, which was after this strong move. 5's buy zone right there between the 8 and the 20. Look at that circle. It went right down to bottomed at 23.50. So as long as you were in front of the half, had a really, really nice move. And I would say the middle of the 5's buy zone was somewhere around 23.65. So if you like the middle of that buy zone that I do, you got filled, right? Anyway, so let's just say 23.65 went to 28.70. So about $5 move on about 40 cents risk. And let me get that out of the way and go into what we're watching for tomorrow. I'm going to keep it short and sweet tonight. Bounce plays, ACCD goes back on bounce watch down to the 20-day. Roma has only been trading for what, 6 sessions maybe? Its high since it started trading was 11.80, and today it closed at $1.14. So to me, it's worth watching for potential bounce, right? Obviously not pretty action since it came public, but certainly oversold. So we'll see if we can catch a bounce play in it. Mara, Bitcoin play, right back on the bounce watch again tomorrow. The days are getting more and more narrow in their range, at this big range and a little smaller. So I think it may be time. This thing may give us a bounce setup tomorrow. Boeing is kind of weird looking because today's day was inside of yesterday's. I'd like to see, I don't know, another red day or two, but I am going to start, I had it on bounce watch today, no trades in it. I wish it would have gapped down instead of up, as you guys know. So stays on a chart, but I don't really like the look of that for a pure play, bounce play like we teach, right? Save, just another red day. That's Spirit Airlines. Goes back on bounce watch. HDB, really beaten up for 2 days in a row. Took out the recent lows, but a lot of times when something goes real hard for a couple sessions and then takes out recent lows, a lot of times you get a snapback bounce. So for that reason, putting HDB on bounce play watch list. Let me look at this BFRG because I might not. Yeah, I'm not even going to put it on watch. I put that on my watch list as I was building it throughout the day, and when I did that, it was a green candle and trading somewhere like here. So taking that one off. Cart, nice gap up today. This is Instacart and really biggest volume yet since it came public. Topped out 25.93. Certainly worth watching tomorrow for another possible upside move. DWAC, topping tail there. I'd like to see it maybe come in another day, but I'm a day trader and it's in play, so I will watch it. GTLB, nice little volume spike today, trying to push up and test these recent highs, so that one goes on watch. SBGI, nice breakout today. We'll see if it gets a follow-through setup tomorrow. EOLS, nice breakout. Looking for a second day play there. MAIA, that's a tough one for me. Up to recent highs today on big volume. Probably needs to rest, but I am going to watch it. CUTR, I was on the fence about putting this on the watch list. I was watching this after this day, and then the inside day I liked it. Then I put in a red day, another red day. I started watching it for a bounce. Another red day, which was pretty damn close to a round trip, right? But it did put in a green day today, so you could argue, hey, it's back down to support, held the 20-day, so we'll watch for a possible upside play tomorrow. But, you don't really have a next catalyst very close. FUSN, I actually kind of like this one. Today's high, yesterday's high 990, today's high 990. So certainly interesting over that 2-day high, and then the most recent high 1043. Pan out a little bit, give you a little bit better look. All right, SATS holding up well. Nice inside day today, so that one goes on long watch. And then lastly, MASI, kind of got a horizontal line there. You almost have a big inverse head and shoulders on this island down here. So that one goes on long watch. I'm not in love with this list, not in love with the action, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll find some nice gappers tomorrow and get a couple A+ setups again. All right, I'm done, Bab, and we'll see you in chat.